Now this illustration deals with danger signs in accordance with NEC 300.45, page 149 in the NEC. Now notice this has been a revision to alert the designer, contractor, electrician, whoever has the responsibility of providing this label. Notice for this particular coloring and warning on a label, based upon the color of the label, the purpose of change refers the user to the ANSI Z 535.4 standard in accordance with, basically 110.21B as in boy of the NEC. Now notice, look, referencing to the left of the illustration, we pick up danger in red. And Z 535.4 states, danger indicates a hazardous situation which, if not avoided, will result in death or serious injury. And this would be kind of an imminent danger using red. The orange warning sign, warning indicates a hazardous situation which, if not avoided, could result in death or serious injury. The yellow warning sign indicates a caution that indicates a hazardous situation which, if not avoided, may result in a minor or moderate injury. You see the difference in the red, orange, and yellow sign that is recommended very highly by the informational note that we reviewed in 110.16, 110.21, in those sections, that we should use this color coding scheme on our labels. Now notice, say that this cover, you were removing this cover or opening this door here, and you have danger on that door. Then that meant the minute you open that door, you're right in there with those energized components and exposed conductor parts. You're exposed right to electrical shock or arc condition might occur under an accident. But say now that the door had a orange warning sign on it and you opened it, you had to remove a second door to get into the energized components and so forth, then that's where your danger sign would be. And then, of course, the yellow is just for caution and where you want to caution somebody. I didn't show the blue label, which usually represent you're walking in and around a wet location. Be careful not to slip and fall, see. So notice when you review the note 1, mark and shall warn of hazard using effective words, as you see in the danger here, effective words, such as colors, red for imminent danger, symbols, if you want to put some symbols up there of someone getting shocked, things of that nature, it's up to you, or any combination of. Now notice this is a recommendation to provide these colors. Now, 2, danger sign for over 1,000 volts must be readily visible also, as required in 300.45. And you can see in the danger high voltage keep out, or OSHA's always, as long as I've been around them, would say authorized personnel only, high voltage keep out, give a warning. Warn that it's dangerous, and then give a warning, keep out, see. And then other danger signs that you may see is 110.21B, that's 1,000 volts or less. 110.34C, over 1,000 volts. Any pull box, junction box, splice, tap areas, 314.72 is an ed. And then, in 250.21C, where you have an ungrounded system, you got to warn the user that this system's ungrounded on a label. So what I would like to point out to you, that you may have to go through the article that deals with your power source. Like if you were providing a battery system that could fall under these rules, you'd go to Article 480. If you were using, say, a wind generator, an electrical wind type system, then you'd go to Article 694 to see if you had label warning. See, maybe there too. Fuel cell systems, Article 692. PV systems and what would be required there, and labels required there in Article 690. If you had, say, a PV system of a utility nature, Article 691. So designers have to go to the article of their power source and then determine if there's any additional labeling in addition to what we have just discussed in 110.16, 110.21, 110.24, and NFPA 70E 130.5H. Now, this is our last illustration, and once again, this has been Hot Topics, and this is the story.